Katie's Christmas wrapping show. JK, guys. We're about to wrap some Christmas gifts. I feel like I'm so behind. I haven't wrapped a single one. So obviously, I wanted to show you guys what we do. And my sister Catherine is the Christmas gift wrapping extraordinaire. So she'll be joining me in wrapping her gifts as well. And then we have to make sure we keep it incognito because we don't want to see each other's gifts for each other. So that's yours. Oh, she wrapped mine earlier today, so I need to keep her gift incognito. And this is the Christmas wrapping station bag that Catherine bought. Is it last Christmas or the Christmas before? 2 Christmases ago. And you see how long it is.
If you don't have one, get one.
She says if you don't have one, you need to get one. You see how long it is. It is intense for the Christmas experts and all of us. This thing is major. So, this Christmas wrapping station houses all of these gift bags that I bought from Amazon of all varying sizes. And then in here is usually where the gift bows. Okay, so we have some ribbon. I might try to do some stuff with some ribbon. We usually have a bunch of gift bows. We have our tape. We're running low on our gift bows and our labels. And then in here we have several rolls of wrapping paper, depending on the theme. More labels, of course, scissors, just everything you would need. More tape. Oh, lots of ribbon. So I can do something with this. Okay guys, so I've chosen my wrapping paper. I've taken out my scissors and tape and ribbon from the bag. And I have assembled the packages I am wrapping behind me. Exhibit A, B, and C. All right, so we are ready. I say this to help somebody who may have a bag or somewhere you store the things and then you realize you take out the paper, you ain't got no tape, all this stuff, okay? Make sure all your stuff is ready so that, because I get kind of overwhelmed with wrapping gifts, to be honest. So if you're like me, just prepare yourself so you don't have to have that overwhelmed feeling. I have this long one. This one is from my brother Samson. So I want to see if I have to do it in 2 pieces. And this one, Catherine. Get your corners aligned and straightened out. Okay, so folded the edge over here since we have to join the 2 pieces so it can have a clean edge. I learned that from Katie and she just reminded me to do it for this now because we like it to look very clean. Fortunately, because I'm doing a joining, I have to use a lot of tape, but it is what it is. One more thing I forgot to take out, guys. If you can see me and I'm not so dark. Labels. I forgot to take them out. You got Samson? Guys. I love to fake out with the box. But then also I always get people multiple things anyway. These people in my house. So the box doesn't tell you anything. And that's how it is for most of us. And the box shouldn't tell you anything.
Sometimes my boxes be telling stories.
Shut up, Katie.
No.
do recommend to start with the hardest one first, because once you get it out of the way, all the other ones seem easy. So, number 1 is done. Excuse me, ma'am.
I sneeze. I know skitties.
Next one. This is more of a regularly sized box. So, as I said, it's gonna feel much easier. You just need to cut once, or not really once because it's shorter, so we might need to do a second cut. But, so the way I do it is measure for a little bit, like an inch longer than this side of the box, and then this to meet the top of the box. So I'll learn that from Katie, the rapper extraordinaire herself. I'm probably on my mom at one point because she was a pretty good rapper too. Katie said mommy wasn't doing it. Not quite perfect. She was pretty good at the measuring though, if I remember correctly back in the day. Yeah. Okay, so as I said, you measure for it to be like an inch over on this side, and then this can meet a little bit over. So that's what you want. And this was the tip that I was saying that we do before. So we use the box to kind of perforate and mark the edge. And then you kind of have that perforation. Actually, mine is not that great right now. But kind of force it to make a fold in the paper so that when you take it off, you can simply fold the paper and it'll be a perfect edge on the box this way. So, major key, guys, major key, because this makes it look a lot cleaner. And that way, this can come over a little bit here, and then you meet it here and just tape right on the edge, if that makes sense. And then here you can also use the perforation tip. And this is how you stop yourself from needing to tape the box, because as long as you're kind of being precise with the paper and pulling it taut, you really shouldn't need tape. I mean, tape on the box. You need tape for now. Right here. I'll help you. Well, where are you going?
We don't have any more. How you gonna buy us lemon and then take lemon?
That is not gift giving at all. Constantly replacing it, just so that you can come down here and take it again.
Just buy plenty for your kitchen. Yeah, I don't know why there's like a dent over there. It's been concerning me.
There's a couple stuff. Like right on the entrance.
Yeah, right here. No, you're not. It's sometimes I need our meji latch shape.
Maroon. You know, you have your switch up on me for some reason. You're speaking Yoruba. Weird dowry.
It's on the belt. Ow.
This one's very beautiful. finished. I did it, guys. Let me show you my pile. It's very cute. I love the way this wrapping paper kind of matches my wreath. But here we go. Awesome. So that's it, guys. Thanks so much for hanging out with me and Catherine and wrapping some gifts with us. This was fun. And I've never filmed wrapping gifts, and I've learned lots of tips and tricks from Catherine, who learned it from like YouTube and the internets. And so hopefully you guys picked up a few tips and tricks for making your gifts look fanciful and beautiful. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys. Say bye, kitty.
Bye.